Hey yo, it's R.I.C.O. And it getting legal this piece again. You call me riff raff and that nigga missing a brain, and that isn't funny. Get next to me, you're a sped, licking a hairy chupa chops lolly. Beermason say I violate, so let's stop collaborating, do ya? I've been watching the infos and that news couldn't be truer. Orange Dungy say build some balls, huh? How about then he build some balls? I prefer them starch fella, at least he has swinging some balls. Did you think about building 7? Must have been C4 plastic explosives. Did you see the plane going? Nah, the foundations must be corrosive. She said, who are you looking at, me or him? I pull look around, shrug up my arms, say I'm looking at me. Calm, the beams they melted like cheese on toast. You mean to say that's jet fuel at most? I disagree with nasty people and violence and hate. So how about you shut the fuck up and get that darkened kitty on my dinner plate? Cracks in the story, cracks in the fate. Truth don't bend for no mandate. Did you think about building 7? Must have been C4 plastic explosives. Did you see the plane going? Nah, the foundations must be corrosive. Wake up, fam. Eyes wide open.